But I can't buy clothes and then just wear them out. I have to. I don't know where that culture came from, but I have to wash my clothes. Ooh, this look a bit oversized. Let me just back. So this is a romper. I bought it in. Yeah, it look a bit big, extra large. What? This is how it's looking. The colors are nice. The colors are nice. It's a shorts type romper. But it looks slightly big for me. Whew. But at least it's ruby. It has a string waist in the center. The colors are really nice for summer. Let me look at it. Let me look at it. Let me look at it. Oh, this is nice. It's gonna be cute with some flats, and I have some Michael Kors, beige sandals that will work really good with this, and I have a Coach beige bag. I'm going to be very beige. And I have a Michael Kors gold bag that can probably even work with this as well. I wish those Michael Kors sandals were my size. Yeah. But this is what it's looking. Really cute.